Hi students, once again a very warm welcome to all of you. On 26th July, the video which I have uploaded that tells in that video I told you about the student registration form. Now in this video I am going to tell you about the first form registration. Before going to discuss this, it is my humble request to all of you, if you like the video, please like it, subscribe my channel, YouTube channel, and share the videos with as much students as you can. Now you could see on the home page of online admission, there is a tab of various village cities, that Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, Nashik. So when you click on the Pune division, when I'm filling up the form of Pune division, the first window that opens, that is the official video of the site. You can see it or you can skip it. The same information I'm going to tell you in this video. So when you skip the video, the first tab, that is the student registration. In the student registration video, I have told you how to fill up the student registration. Now here I took one student's login and password which was already registered. When I type in her login ID, that is PN 11 75522, and her password, that is, and the captcha JJ8Z6 and login. When you logged in, you will have the various tabs, that is student registration, personal detail, address, category, reservation. When you click on the registration, you will have the window that you have filled up before your student registration. All the detail has been captured from the board side with your seat number, and the second tab is your personal detail, where you have to update your Aadhaar card number once again. And when you enter the Aadhaar card number, you have to tab on the save and next button. When you click in, you have to write your address. So I have typed her address, then the state, and then the district, that is Pune. Then Taluka, Tahsil, Haveli, and other details are not required. So save and next. So here you could see that this student belongs to SC category, and if she had the caste certificate, so I click on the yes tab. So I need to select the state from which she has got the caste certificate. So she has got the caste certificate from state of Maharashtra. So I select the state of Maharashtra. So the next tab is from which city. So she has got the caste certificate from Sangli district. So I have selected. Now the next tab is, there are various tabs, like your parents has been transferred from other district, or are you handicapped, then earthquake affected. So you read all the tab and fill it accordingly. Then if you have the last tab is about the orphan student quota. So if you are orphan, click yes. If you are not, click no. Then next tab is about the 25% reservation of HSVC bifocal course. So here she don't belong to that. Then the second last tab is about minority quota. So student from Jain, Muslim and Christian community, they can select. Now this student is from she wanted to take the admission where she studied in the same institute. It has a junior college. So she wanted to take admission. So she can click on in-house quota, and she click and next. Now here I forgot to click on one tab, that is whether her parents are freedom fighter, so that tab was also clicked. Now save and next. Now she had a caste certificate and she need to verify, so she belongs to Shivaji Nagar area, Khadki area, and in Khadki the CK Goel Guidance Center is nearby to her, so I click the CK Goel Junior College as a guidance center and I save and the next tab. Then I need to upload her documents, that is caste certificate and self declaration or undertaking. So I am going to upload her caste certificate by clicking on the caste certificate upload tab. So here I upload the caste certificate, that is upload. Then choose the file, browse. From my computer I select the file, that is Aditi caste certificate, which I have already downloaded. You need to download all these things while you are filling the form. Then self declaration, that is also I have downloaded, I have saved on my computer. So here I have that self declaration form. That is undertaking Aditi, and open, upload. Now the upload has been done, save and next. Now the question may come in your mind that from where we need to take the undertaking. So here you could see the upload required document tab. There you can download the self declaration form at the click here highlighted words. So from there you can click, and then next tab is a payment option. You need to pay 125 rupees for the form fees. It goes to directly state of Maharashtra, government of Maharashtra. So you can choose the option online payment. Here you can take a credit card, debit card, and when you click on next, you have to process. So most of the students face the problem at this moment. It takes a time, but the problem is a temporary. And now see the payment option, online payment option. Here you can choose net banking, debit card, wallet, UPI and credit card. So I have UPI, means Bhim app. So I will choose the UPI for UPI tab. So most of the student can choose, and it is the easiest way. Here I have a UPI ID, that is Vikas 302w@UPI, and I click on payment button, payment tab. So when I click on, the next tab is continue. When I click it goes to process. When you process, the message comes to your mobile about the UPI confirmation. When you confirm, I could see on my screen, mobile screen, I have the confirmation message. So when I confirm, so it get confirmed when you click on from your mobile number, and once it is clicked, so next window that comes in front of you, that is, it takes a time little bit due to technical issue, but it will be temporary, so you need not to worry about it. And I have got the confirmation. Now the screen is rolling and the payment option is confirmed. The payment has uploaded. Now see, all the detail has been filled. Now when you scroll down, there is a self declaration. You need to click on it, and then you scroll down, you will find the lock application form. So when you lock, the pending status are there. When you confirm, your form has been locked. And remember student, the pending status, you need to go to the guidance center, and then you can verify your form. When you go down, you can see the current status, verify the form from the secondary school. You can go to your own school and you can get the printout of this form. When you take the printout, you can go to the go to the school and guidance center with the concern or required documents. So this is how to fill up the first part. Thank you very much.